In this video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can add Midjourney bot on your own private Discord server, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And for those people who do not know what Midjourney is an AI on Discord which you guys can use to generate image you want using text. You can explain the type of image you want in text and it'll create the image out of that text. You guys can see the example over here, a painting with a puppy, and it created that, alright? So that's what Midjourney is. And if you guys add the Midjourney on your private Discord server, no other people can see the image you generated. Like only the people of your Discord server can see it, alright? So I hope you understand. Now let me show you how you guys can add it on your Discord. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel for future Midjourney related videos like this, and let's move on. So first step is you want to enter the server of Midjourney. So this is the official server of Midjourney. As you guys can see, all the people are typing over here and I can see all the people's logo. Now let's say I want to create my own logo in private because I don't want anybody to steal it. What I can do is on the Discord server of Midjourney, you can see the Midjourney bot over here. Once you see the Midjourney logo over here, left click on it. Once you left click on it, it's going to show you all these options. From all these options, you can see add to server option. You want to click on it. Once you do that, you want to select the server which you want to add it in. Now you have to be the leader of the server in order to add this. So I'm going to add it on my server. So what I can do is click and select the server and click on Zen's server. So this is the server which I'm like the leader or I'm the creator of. So I have the permission to add it. So I can click and continue, scroll all the way down, click on authorize and wait for some time, and I'm going to verify I'm a human. Once the verification is complete, it should be added on your server when it shows you success. So let me go to the server, and as you guys can see, it's added. So that's how you guys can add Midjourney on your server. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.